They're not answering the door at Family FLP. They don't know if I have an appointment or not. There's the doorbell. I've been here like 15 minutes and they're not answering it. And this has happened at multiple businesses. Play with this stuff long enough, it needs to end. They will not call me back and they're not answering the door. And this is on the digital monitoring. I don't know if it says digital monitoring and recording are used on these premises. All persons on these premises must be on approved business or their actions may be considered criminal trespass. They're not answering the door and won't answer the return my phone calls. They don't know if I have an appointment.